Hey there everybody, big warm welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if it's your first time to my YouTube channel then hi and thank you so much for choosing to watch. Okay guys, basically I popped to the shops yesterday and I ended up getting some real gems from Primark and H&M, and obviously I just wanted to share it with you. They're all very summery bits, so very relevant to the season that is very much nearly here. I'd say sometimes it feels like we're in the summer and then it suddenly rains and I think we're back in autumn again, but you know, it is June like next week. So but yeah, I just really want to share with you what I found in Primark and H&M yesterday because there are some really cute bits out there, so keep watching to find out. Okay, I'm going to start with what I've got on right now because that obviously seems the relevant thing to do. So this dress is actually from Primark. Now, funny story, I went to H&M first and I was so close to buying this summer dress that's in H&M at the moment. Literally nearly identical fabric, pattern, like basically identical, and I didn't get it in H&M because I didn't have my size. And then I walked into Primark and I see this. I mean, there's slight differences in the style, but oh, by the way, ignore the weird carpet situation we got going here. We had to pull up the carpet and it's not yet been put down properly, so yeah, ignore that. But yeah, look how cute. It's got the little slit at the bottom. It is like fitted but not too fitted, if you know what I mean. It's just, yeah, an all-round great dress, and you're gonna want to know how much it is, and I've forgotten. Hold on. Okay, I've just checked how much it was because I didn't want to get it wrong. It was £15. I'm pretty sure the one in H&M was quite a bit more than that, so yeah, really happy with that. It's just, there's so much detail to it for like a £15 dress. I'm just chuffed. So this will be coming on holiday with me. We go on holiday a week today, next Saturday, so yeah, this is gonna go in the suitcase, I think. Okay, so this is my second little sundress find in Primark. So this was £15 also, but obviously a really different style. I love it. I got a 10, but it's kind of feeling a little bit like baggy at the top. I probably could have got an 8 in this, but still it works. So it's a wrap around and then you tie it here at the side, and it's got this like frill detail, and then it stops just above the knee. So yeah, really simple but really cute, and the thing that I really liked was the colour. I love sage green, it's like my favourite colour, so that was definitely an easy choice for me. I also love that the sleeves are like slightly puffed as well, just makes it a bit fancier, doesn't it? So again, I think this will be going in my suitcase. An easy going out for dinner dress, I would say. I'm actually gonna jump and show you an outfit that I got for Cooper from H&M because I just looked at it and thought, oh my god, we'd match. So hold on, they didn't have the matching one in Leo's size, which is a shame, but I got him this little t-shirt which was from H&M for £2.99. oh my gosh, and I just loved the colour and I loved the tie-dye. And then I saw they also have these little boy or girl shorts in at the moment. They're like a waffle material and they had a few colours, but I thought how cute together. And then I've just seen them while I'm wearing this dress and hello, matchy matchy. Such a shame they didn't have it in Leo's size. Very cute. Also, when I was in Primark, not very interesting, but I got a massive box of Kirby grips. What happens to Kirby grips? Where do they go? They're like socks, they just disappear. I don't know how I always run out of them, but I do. So in Primark you can get a huge box of 60 Kirby grips just for just £1, so that will keep me going. Clint hates these things, he says he finds them everywhere. Now for Leo, oh not for Leo, Leo and Cooper, so in Primark in the kids bit, I wasn't like blown away. There wasn't loads of holiday stuff, I would say, but I did get Leo this cool pair of aviators, little boy sunglasses, so good in Primark, and they were, I think they were like £1.50 or something for a really cool pair of aviators, and they're mirrored, which he loves, so he thinks no one can see him, and also because they're really cheap. You can bend them, always with my Primark glasses with the boys. I'll sort of put them on his face, give them a little bend until they fit his head perfectly, so I know that that's like the perfect size for him. So there for the holiday. And I got this for Coops. I couldn't resist. So he has like one sun hat that he'll wear. It's from H&M and it ties under his chin because he pulls it off. So I was just going to take that one, knowing that he would just take off any other hat that I buy. But I saw this and it was £3 and oh my gosh, he looks so cute in it. So I'm going to try and keep it on his head, even if it's just for a photo and then he whips it off. I don't care because it's that cute. And I love the little band around it as well. £3, I mean, come on. I actually got size 6 to 12 months. Even though he is nearly 13 months, so I actually thought they sized quite big. But so yeah, try it on your little one maybe before you buy one, but very, very cute. Okay, so over in H&M, I have wanted these sandals for ages and ages, and I was in there, I saw them and I was like, do you know what? I'm just gonna get them because I know I'd wear them loads. And now I have like a black pair that I wear a lot, and then, you know, a neutral pair, and that's kind of all you need, isn't it? Black and neutral, and then that kind of goes with every outfit. That's what I told myself anyway. So I got myself these beautiful plaid sandal sliders. They were £17.99 and I haven't worn them yet. As you can see, they're squeaky clean, but I have tried them on. I can confirm they are very comfortable. They are snug, like you have to push your foot in, but you know it ain't coming off. I was worried then, thinking something's rubbing on my toe, but it's because I've still got the label on there. I also in H&M picked up this really, really lovely pair of gold hoops, but I've just seen, how annoying is this? I've just seen that one of them is really marked and theirs really marked, which is a shame. But yeah, I thought they were a really, really cute duo for £6, so like £3 each if you look at it that way. And I thought they go really nicely with summer dresses and things, so yeah, treated myself to a couple of pairs of earrings as well. Also in H&M for Leo, I've been seeing these on Instagram. This is their new Smiley World range, so they've all got that like smiley logo on them. There were loads to choose from. They had loads of like tie-dye ones as well, but unfortunately none the same colour tie-dye as Cooper's t-shirt. But I chose to get him this one. I thought this one was really cool with Choose a Smile, and then it's got the little logo on the sleeve as well. So I got that as an extra holiday t-shirt for Leo, and that was £7.99. And I got Cooper a couple of pairs of sweaters. Plain sweaters, I won't go anywhere but H&M. Like, you just can't beat it for both the boys. And I know it seems mad to be buying sweaters in the summer, but I just thought, you know, sometimes in an evening you get a bit of a chill, it gets a bit cooler. Like, you know, it's supposed to be summer now. We went out in the morning this morning and it was freezing. Like, he needed a sweater, so I think you still need them all year round in England, to be honest with you. These are in the 3 for 2 range, but I didn't partake in that. I only got the pair of sweaters. So they were 2 sweaters for £8.99 in a lovely shade of blue and a shade of grey, and he's already got these in like a brown and a beige, I think. Little tip with these sweaters, I size up, so he's only 1, but I got 1.5 to 2 as a size. 1 because I like sweaters to be a little bit baggy and oversized on myself and my kids, and 2 because sometimes they can shrink a little bit in the wash. Just in case, I always up a size, just to be careful. And there you go, guys, that is what I got when I took a little trip to the shops yesterday from Primark and H&M in this summer that we are having in 2022. Slightly unpredictable summer so far, but I feel like we've got a lot of good weather coming our way. I feel it. So thank you so much for watching, lovely people, and I will see you in my next video. If I have a little break in videos, I'm going to try not to. I'm trying to sort of film so that I've still got videos live when I'm on holiday, but if there is a scheduled day when I don't have a video going up, that will be why. It'll be because I'm on a beach somewhere sipping a Fanta lemon, loving life. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video.